In today's world, more people are accessing the internet using their mobile devices than ever before. This means that it's more important than ever to ensure your website is mobile-friendly and loads quickly. A website that is not optimized for mobile devices or takes too long to load can lead to frustrated visitors and lost opportunities for your business. In this blog post, we will discuss 9 tips to ensure your website is mobile-friendly and fast. Use a responsive design. A responsive design is essential to ensuring your website is mobile-friendly. A responsive design means that your website will automatically adjust to fit the screen size of the device being used. This makes it easier for visitors to navigate and read your website, regardless of the device they are using. Optimize images. Images that are too large can significantly slow down your website's loading speed. To optimize your images, compress them and use appropriate file types for web use. JPEGs are best for photographs, while PNGs are best for graphics with transparency. Minimize HTTP requests. Minimizing the number of HTTP requests made by your website is essential to reducing its loading time. You can do this by simplifying your design and using CSS and JavaScript files more efficiently. Use a content delivery network, CDN. A CDN is a network of servers located around the world that store your website's content. By using a CDN, your website's content can be served from the server closest to the visitor, reducing loading time. Enable browser caching. Browser caching allows your website's content to be stored in a visitor's browser cache. By enabling browser caching, visitors will only need to download new content, rather than re-downloading everything each time they visit your website. Keep your code clean. The more code, plugins, or scripts your website has, the slower it will load. By removing any unnecessary code, plugins, or scripts, you can speed up your website's loading time. Use a fast web host. Choosing a web host that has fast servers and a good reputation for uptime can significantly improve your website's loading speed. Prioritize content. Prioritizing the most important content on your website means that your visitors will be able to access the information they need quickly, without having to wait for everything to load. Test your website speed. Regularly testing your website's loading speed using online tools such as Google's PageSpeed Insights or Jeepmetrics can help you identify areas that need improvement, so you can continually optimize your website for speed. In conclusion, ensuring your website is mobile-friendly and fast is essential for providing a positive user experience and driving business success. By following these 9 tips, you can optimize your website for speed and ensure that it loads quickly and efficiently on all devices.